dance in this tender afterglow.
Oh, how the moonlight dances on the sea, in the haunting shadows I long to be free. Stars above,
The sun is setting low, and I'm right here, you know, in the quiet of the night, with you by my side. We don't need to say a word, our hearts can be heard. In the silence there's a spark, lighting up the dark.
in your arms I feel at home. Wherever we go, I'm never alone.
With every touch, with every sigh, you're the reason why
I fly. In your arms I find my place. In this moment, no, it will not grace. Hold me close and never let go.
in your arms I found my soul. The world outside,
Still, the moonlight paints the sky as we walk, just you and I. Every step is soft and slow. With you, I feel I'm home. The stars above, they shine so bright, when none compare to your eyes tonight. In this moment, hearts entwine, yours and mine, so divine. Whispers of love in the evening breeze, a melody carried through the trees. In your arms I feel at ease. This love's like the gentle seas. Whispers of love so sweet and true. Every breath I take is you. In your heart I find my way. Together forever we'll stay. The night is calm, the world asleep, but in your eyes my secrets keep. Every touch a lullaby that makes my heart soar to the sky. Time may pass, but we don't age. We're timeless like the ocean's waves. With every moment, love will grow. In your arms I'll always know. Whispers of love in the evening breeze, a melody carried through the trees. In your arms I feel at ease. This love is like the gentle seas. Whispers of love so sweet and true. Every breath I take is you. In your heart I find my way. Together forever we'll stay. Like a song that never ends. With you I'm more than just a friend. Every whisper, every sigh, I hear it in the softest cry. Our love is like the rising sun. A journey that underneath the pale moonlight we find our way. Your hand in mine, we drift like clouds that softly sway. Every step we take, a melody unfolds. A story of a love so take, my melody unfolds, a story of a love so warm it never grows cold. You are my gentle breeze, my sweetest song. With you my heart's at ease, where I belong. Through every stormy sky, you are my light. In your arms I'll stay, my love, every night. The whispers of the ocean calling out our names, like echoes of a dream that only love can claim. Your laughter is the sunlight to all my life. In your arms I'll stay, my love, every night. The whispers of the ocean calling out our names, like echoes of a dream that only love can claim. Your laughter is the sunlight dancing on my skin, warm my skin, harmony that's endless, where our souls begin. And the glow of a twilight curtain fades, I hear a whisper soft in a tree. Give me haze, wishing in on a fallen star. It's you I chase, lonely nights echo with your hidden face. Oh, how the moonlight dances on the sea. In the haunting shadows I long to be free. Stars above sing of a love still unknown. In every constellation I find you alone. In the stillness of the evening our hearts collide, beneath the velvet sky where the stars confide. Your touch is like a whisper, soft and kind, a melody of love that lingers in my mind. You are the rhythm in my soul, my sweetest refrain, the warmth in my heart through joy and pain. With every breath, with every sigh, I'll love you forever until the stars say goodbye. The moonlight dances gently on your face, a tender glow that time could not erase. With every breath, with every sigh, I'll love you forever until the stars say goodbye. The moonlight dances gently on your face, a tender glow that time could not erase. Still, in the quiet of the night, I hear your heartbeat next to mine. We don't need a single word, the silence speaks so clear. The world outside is far away, but in your arms I'll always stay. Every moment feels so right when I'm with you here tonight. A love so soft, a love so true. every second feel worthwhile. And when the days are hard and long, you're the melody, the sweetest song. In your arms I'll find my way. With you I'm home, I'll always stay. A love so soft, a love so true. I found my world when I found you. In the stillness, hearts collide. In your love I will confide. A love so soft, it heals the past. With you I know this love will last. No need for words, no need to try. In your love I'll live and find. And when the seasons change, we'll still be the same. With every storm, with every rain, our love will never break. Like the river's gentle flow, together we will always grow. A love so soft, a love so true. I found my world when I found you. In the stillness, hearts collide. In your love I will confide. A love so soft, it heals the. Still, I remember first time I saw you smile. It felt like the world stopped for a while. In that moment, I knew it was true. I found my home when I found you. I never thought love could feel this way, but with you, I feel it every day. Every touch, every word we say, it's a promise that won't fade away. Together forever, through the highs and lows. In your arms I'll never let go. With every heartbeat I love you more. You're the one I'm waiting for. Forever and always, we'll find a way. With you my love I'll stay. When the nights are cold and full of doubt, you're the one who pulls me out. Your love is the light that guides me through. I'll always find my way to you. And when the world is spinning too fast, I'll hold you close and make it last. Through the storms, through all the rain, with you I'll never feel the pain. Together forever, through the highs and lows. In your arms I'll never let go. With every heartbeat I love you more. You're the one I'm waiting for. Forever and always, we'll find a way. With you my love I'll stay. We've been through fire, we've been through rain, but every trial only makes us stronger again. I'll stand by you through all the years. We'll face the future with no more fear. Whatever I'll miss, I want you more. In every kiss, I feel this joy. And every time through every fight, with you my love, it feels so right.
I see the stars shine in your eyes. When you smile, the world feels right. In your arms I find my peace. With you, voice, it calms my soul. With every word you make me whole. The way you love, it feels so true. I can't imagine life without you. With you, the world feels light. With you, everything's alright. Through the moments, big or small. With you, I have it all. With you, my heart will stay forever and always, come what may. When the night is dark and still, I'll be with you, I always will. No matter where the road may go, with you, I'll never be alone. Every step we take side by side, I feel your love, I feel your light. Hand in hand we'll make our way. Together we'll find our day. With you, the world feels light. With you, everything's alright. Through the moments, big or small. With you, I have it all. With you, my heart will stay forever and always, come what may. When the days are tough and gray, I'll hold you close, I'll never stray. Your love is all I need to see. In the quiet of the night, I hear the whisper of your name. Like a dream that feels so real. You're the reason I feel no shame. is quiet, still and slow, but in your eyes I see it glow. A love so deep, a love so true. Every moment I'm lost in you. The winds may change, the skies may fall, but I will always hear your call. In the silence we both know, with you my heart will always grow. In your eyes I find my home. In your arms I'm not alone. Through every storm, through every fight, you are my day, you are my night. In your eyes I see the stars, guiding me no matter how far. Forevermore, this love will stay. In your eyes I'll find my way. The road is long, the journey wide, but with you here I'll never hide. Your gentle touch, your tender smile makes every struggle seem worthwhile. When the world is lost in gray, you brighten all my darkest days. And in your heart I found my place, a love that time can't erase. In your eyes I find my home. In your arms I'm not alone. Through every storm, through every fight, you are my day, you are my night. In your eyes I see the stars, guiding me no matter how far. Forevermore, in the stillness of the night, when the moon is shining bright, I can hear you whisper close, like a melody. It calms my soul. The world outside is far away, but in your arms I want to stay. With every breath, with every sigh, I'm lost in you, you and I. Beneath the stars we'll find a way, through the night into the day. With you, my love, I feel so free. In your heart I find my peace. Beneath the stars we're not alone. Together we'll make it home. With you forever feels so near. Beneath the stars you're here. When the world feels cold and gray, you're the warmth that lights my way. With every step we're close, we're near. Your love is all I need to hear. The journey's long, but we don't fear.
the stars will find a way through the night into the day. With you, my love, I feel so free. In your heart I find my peace. Beneath the stars we're not alone. Together we'll make it home. With you forever feels so near. Beneath the stars you're here. And when the world is in the quiet of the night, I feel your heartbeat next to mine. Like a song that never ends, you're the rhythm I can't define. Through the shadows, through the light, I've found my way when you're in sight. And in your eyes I see the truth, a love that's born anew. With you, timeless love, like the stars above, guiding me. It's you I'm dreaming of. In your arms I'll always stay. Through the night into the day. Timeless love, it's all we need. A love that's gentle, wild and free. Forevermore hold you near. Timeless love, you're my forever here. Every whisper, every touch speaks the words we never say much. In the silence we both know our hearts are where we're meant to go. Through the storms and through the rain, your love will ease away the pain. And when the world feels far away, in your embrace I'll choose to stay. Timeless love, like the stars above, guiding me. It's you I'm dreaming of. In your arms I'll always stay. Through the night into the day. Timeless love, it's all we need. A love that's gentle, wild and free. Forevermore hold you near. Timeless love, you're my forever here. We don't need the world to see the love between you and me. In your heart I found my way. I see your shadow in the rain, a fleeting ghost, a touch of pain. The echoes of your voice remain, a tender wound I can't explain. Every moment, every tear, whispers of you linger here. In the silence I still hear the promises that disappeared. And I'll hold on to what we had. Through every smile, through every sad memory that breaks my heart. Though we're a world apart, love was a fire, now just a spark. I'm lost alone out in the dark, still
the ghost of you. The photographs are fading fast, a fleeting glimpse of what could last. Your laughter lingers in the past, a haunting song that's unsurpassed. Every sunset, every sigh brings your image to my eyes. Through the shadows I still try to understand the last goodbye, and I'll hold on to what we had. Through every smile, through every sad memory that breaks my heart. Though we're a world apart, love was a fire, now just a spark. I'm lost alone out in the dark, still chasing dreams that we once knew. Forever the moonlight fades, the night turns cold. Your voice a memory, a story told. I reach for shadows where you used to be, but the echoes whisper you're not here with me. I'm lost without you in this empty space. The world feels hollow without your embrace. The stars won't guide me, they've all turned blue. I'm lost without you. What can I do? The photographs, they lie in frames, but they can't hold the spark, can't keep the flame. Walk alone where we used to dance. Every step reminds me of our last chance. I'm lost without you in this empty space. The world feels hollow without your embrace. The stars won't guide me, they've all turned blue. I'm lost without you. What can I do? Time moves forward, but I'm standing still, caught in the silence against my will. If love is a river, I've lost the flow, drifting in endlessly. Where do I go? I'm lost without you in this empty space. The world feels hollow without your embrace. The stars won't guide me, they've all turned blue. I'm lost without you. What can I do? The night may pass, but the pain remains. A love like ours instantly stays. I'll search forever through the sky so wide. Lost without you, my heart can't
use a token. Let's sing out loud a song for the day. Dreams are when the road feels far away. Hope will shine like stars in the night. Love for life, forever burning bright. Every lane, a whispering breeze carries love through the dancing trees. Step by step we plant the seeds for tomorrow's world, forever burning bright. Let's sing out loud a song for the day, even when the road feels far away. Hope will shine like stars in the night. Love for life, forever burning bright. Every rain, every rain, a whispering breeze carries love through the dancing trees. Step by step we plant the seeds for tomorrow's world, forever burning bright. Dreams we hold, colors we weave, paint the world we believe. Life today with open arms, every moment a radiant shore. Let's sing out loud a song for the day, even when the road feels far away. Love today with open arms, every moment a radiant shore. Let's sing out loud. Let's sing out loud a song for the day, even the moonlight dances on your face, a gentle glow, a sweet embrace. Your whisper soft like a summer breeze. You're the dream that sets my heart at ease. In your arms I find my home. Wherever you are, I'm never alone. Through the night, beneath the stars, I love you forever, just as you are. Your laughter's music, a melody divine. Every moment with you feels like sunshine. Your touch, a flame that warms my soul. With you, my heart will always be whole. In your arms, I find my home. Wherever you are, find my world in a sweet embrace. Every whisper, every smile you share keeps my heart beating. You're my only care. Through the storms and through the rain, you're the melody that soothes my pain. In your arms I found my place. A love eternal, time can't erase. You are my sun, my moon, my star. No matter where, you're never far. Every heartbeat sings your name. Together forever, our love's flame. With every moment my soul takes flight. You're the reason my world feels right. Through the shadows you're my guide. A love so true, nothing to hide. Through the storms and through the rain, you're the melody that soothes my pain. In your arms I found my place. A love eternal, time can't erase. You are my sun, my moon, my star. No matter where, you're never far. Every heartbeat sings your name. Together forever, our love's flame. Let the world spin, let the seasons change. Our love's a story that's never strayed. Hand in hand we'll face the unknown. In your heart I found my home. Ooh. You are my sun, my moon, my star. No matter where, you're never far. Every heartbeat sings your name. Together forever, our love's flame. So here's my vow to the end of days, to love you deeply in countless ways. Forever yours, in the light or shade. This is the love our hearts have made. When the morning light falls on your face, I find my world in a sweet embrace. Every whisper, every smile, you are. When the morning light falls on your face, I find my world in a sweet embrace. Every whisper, every smile you share keeps my heart beating. You're my only care. Through the storms and through the rain, you're the melody that soothes my pain. In your arms I found my place. A love eternal, time can't erase. You are my sun, my moon, my star. No matter where, you're never far. Every heartbeat sings your name. Together forever, our love's flame. With every moment my soul takes flight.